Welcome to the Art Project. Today's video is Inktober with the prompt frail. Well, I had to just go with something simple. Yesterday I got 3 Inktober prompts done all in one, but today it took me forever to get around to doing this one, but I wanted to squeeze it in. It took me maybe 15-20 minutes, but I didn't think it through a whole lot. I just went with what I think was pretty much the standard egg, except that I'm doing a skull. And so I looked up an egg and I found one that was cracked, had a little dent in it, and I drew it into the top of the skull. So I now have a kind of broken, fractured, frail skull. It might seem a little demented, maybe, or sick in a way, to have a dented, broken skull like this, but I assure you, all I was thinking was frail, and then I had to use a skull because that's my challenge for this Inktober, to do a skull every day. So I looked up egg, fractured egg, broken egg, cracked egg, and then combine the 2 images, the skull and the egg. One of the things though that I did that I think is important here is I made the skull so large that it went off the bottom of the paper. The focus of this one is the fracture in the top, so my composition did not need the entire skull in the picture, plus all of my other pictures have the entire skull in the composition, so why not make it large enough to go off at least one side of the paper. Anyway, that's what I did. I did it really fast because I had to go and pick up my daughter, and so taken care of. Make the background black. We're all good. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope your frail was better than mine. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Happy Inktober.